All right, y'all. Happy Monday to you. Another day in the market. We had a good green day going on, but look like the market is selling off for some reason. And we shall find out. The market giveth and take it away. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Watch my recent videos. Share my channel. Also, urgent buys, urgent sales. Not really nothing. Got some Wendy's. Some buy limit orders went off. General Mills. I'm going to go through that with y'all and see what happens, man. I know Robinhood and Weeble was having a good day from what I seen. Let's go check on those, see if those came down. Look at Wendy's real quick. Wendy's was at 667 for the low today. 665. Am I buying? They got earnings on Friday, May the 8th. If things go well, the stock will go up. If it goes bad, it probably will come down or stay the same. They are operating a little leaner, closing down stores, non-profitable stores, so they're gonna be operating leaner, cutting costs and stuff, so it's gonna make the revenue look better for earnings. But go grab some more Wendy's. See, ain't loading up on nothing. But like I said, let's go check out Webull, B-U-L-L. Not buying any, just want to see whether it got up to like 741 was the last notification I seen, and it's selling off. So it did get up to 743 today. I got some sell limit orders at 776. Boom, 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 boom. Why they not showing my sell limit orders? All right, let me get out of it. Hit Weeble again. Sometimes Robinhood will be tripping a little bit. Unless I canceled them, which I don't think I did. Anyway, I need to check that out. But I did have some sell limit orders at 776. I know they didn't trigger because I'd have been notified about it. Oh, rejected the sale. Buy limit sale, that's what happened. Anyway, 776, 216. Let me put that in. See, Robinhood be tripping. How you gonna reject my sell limit order? That's crazy. So anyway, gonna put this in at 216. Sell limit order. 216, 7.76. Make sure extend it. Hold on, Weeble stopped selling 24 hours? That's funny. Weeble was a 24-hour stock. Anyway, we got that in. I guess that's why they rejected the order. Let's go look at Hood. See what Hood doing. Hood got up to about $77. Got up to $78.29. I figured that around that $78 mark, people gonna rinse and repeat it. I'ma hold on to mine for the long term. Dollar cost average on in. One thing I am buying every day, the reason I say I'm just gonna hold it there, I'm buying HOOW. Or you can do HOOY. I'm gonna take you with both of them. They trade the same, both doing options on Robinhood. When they got $5 of this here today. That's the round hill one, or you can go with HOOY, which is the yield max. But they trade the same doing it. Gonna have the same pattern. I got this on $1 a day recurring, not even looking at it. Just gonna leave it there and I go buy. Can't put recurring on HOOW. Alright, so went through that. Let's go to SVOL. We'll get us some cash flow. Right now it's paying 28 cents a share at the price it's at. When it go back to the $17 range, it will do 30 cents. The higher the price, the higher the payout. I already got $5. I'm going to get another 3. I like this at 16 and under. All right, we did Wendy's. We're going to go with SRLN. Didn't mean to hit that. Just went back to what I had. SRLN, Blackstreet. Over 7% dividend yield, payout every month, 25-28 cents a share a month. This is something you can put on recurring, to be honest. Nice safe play trades between 39.39 is 52-week low with a high 41.67. So that's the range it stays in. So just for cash flow, we're gonna go with GIS. General Mills got down to 34.40. I went and bought like $135 worth of this today to lower my average cost. 34.4 is the 52-week low, 7.03% yield. P/E ratio 8.5 is undervalued. But nice dividend yield at this price here. I would knock out Hormel Foods also since we're here with the food stock. It broke the $21 range. Got to get some of this. This a dividend king. Been paying the dividend, increasing the dividend for 50 years plus. 5.46% yield. Can this come down some more? Yes. 24 price to earnings. 31.86, 52-week high. Probably not going to see that again. 52-week low, 20.32. We'll be loading up on this one. People going to buy that just for the dividend. Look at MSFT. Microsoft, definitely one. Got down to $410.86. Buying this in another portfolio. And buying this one every day, MSFO. That's doing options on it. Got 422 shares. Got some recurring investment, $1 a day, but when it's down, I go buy $2 or whatever. I just add on to it. When it's down, doop. That is ORC. Let's go with Orchid Island, ORC. 10 cents a share a month. Anytime you can catch this under $7, it's a buy. Go nibble at it. I got a payout coming, $166.77 at 10 cents a share. So definitely will be buying this every time it's under $7, adding on to it. I already got $3 today. Go get another 3. At $6.90 is when I set buy limit orders. Let's go with HOO. Well, we done did HOOW and HOOY. That's Robinhood's. Gonna go with UPS. They pull back today. Time they pull back, add on. You know, they doing buyouts, buying out their employees, operating leaner. Also, it's at 97.10, down almost 10% today. 52-week low is $82. Can it come down? Yes. When it comes down, you better come down with it. As it goes down, the dividend yield gonna go up. It's at 6.1%. 6.1%. 52-week high, $122.41. It's a dividend play. KLIP. I got this on $10 a day recurring. As you can see right there, right now, just trying to build my position. I got 125.4 shares at $32.12. That's a nice monthly dividend payout. Pay like 51 cents a share every month. Then look at NFLY options on Netflix. $10.11. Got this on recurring, $1 a day. You can see on the days it's down, I just go buy another $1, $2. All right. Let's look at the price of Netflix, though, since we're here. Might go add some on to my position. I actually want it under the $90 mark. That's why I haven't really been messing with it. But under $100 is good because they got a 52-week high of 134. 134.12. But I will go buy some more Netflix. Will give me at least $3 to $5 worth a day. Just to add on to my position. Tesla. Then Tesla might have went down some more today now. Yep. Got to go get that. TSLA. So if that's down, you want to get TSLY. TSLY got to be down today too. If TSLA is down, a 27-cent discount. Already get $1 a day recurring, going to get me another $1's worth there. Going to look at earn. 8 cents a share every month. Down to 474 today. Might have hit 473. Will get me 5 shares. LFT I'm buying. This is risky. Does pay like 4 cents a share every quarter. Got like a 16% dividend yield. 15.13. 52-week high is 270. I'm going to sell my shares at $1.30. Keep the rest for the dividend. Just buying the lower my average cost. I'm at $1.43 right now. If the rest runs, it runs. But that's what I'm doing right here. I went in at $1.15 today right there for 25 shares. Next got Nike. Got down to 43.83. 43.50 today. Recurring $2 a day. It'll give me $20 worth of Nike. All it takes is to have one good earnings, and this thing here gonna shoot up. So lower my average cost there. You got about earnings for Nike like 2 weeks ago, I want to say. We did HRL. We're gonna do Whirlpool next. WHR 54.61. Got down to 54.44. Can it come down some more? Yes. 50.41 is the low. 52-week low, 7.87% yield. Undervalued with a 10 PE ratio. They lowered the price target to 55 from 68. That's ugly. That Whirlpool is a strong sell, but people gonna buy it to lower the average cost. A lot of them selling it. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna mess around with it and play around with it. Just buy it at the weekly low. Some people gonna jump in it just for the dividend, chasing yield. That's gonna push it up, and I'm gonna make my exit. If you're not in Whirlpool, suggest you just stay out of it. Well, that's Netflix and Tesla. We just did those. All right, let's let me check one more. IP International Paper. We can check our traps and get out of here. Make sure we ain't miss nothing and get on with our week. All right, International Paper. You know this had a bad earnings. I am buying this dip. Building my position out. They operate leaner. Also, and you get that juicy 5.82% yield. The lower the price target of 32 from 40. I might just sell my position and get on out of this. Where am I at? 31.72. I'm going to take a 57-cent loss. I can do that. But it's still an undervalued stock, though. See, they put this news out. They want you to sell it, and then they come by and it goes all the way back up. So we're going to see what's going to happen here. But I done made money with it as far as dividends and selling shares, so I'm really up. I'm thinking about cutting my losses. I'll let you know what I'm going to do. But the whole market down today, you got to see that now too. That's why that stock down. So don't you believe the hype. They get you to selling. They'll come by it and push it up. That's how some of them do. PSEC, I put a buy limit order in at 268. Pay 3.5 cents a share every month. Got average cost of $277. Let's add something on to it. How I'm looking with OXXQ. I know there's at like 194. I'm at 225. They had bad earnings, but this stock stays up. Should have a dividend payout coming. Anyway, it pays 3.5 share a month. PSEC pays 4.5 cents a share a month. I'll be looking with CHMI. I want this to go to 286. Really to $3. But I could lower it back to 286. 52-week high gonna keep coming down, making new lows. But they got this rated as a buy. Comcast, another one. Just sorry stocks, man. Company's not what they used to be. Lower my average cost in this one too. $5 worth, 15. Add this one to the list. IPCMCSA. I'm glowing at least 3.8%. Still up in it, so no need for me to bother that one. Starwood, let me check this one. 1816. It's a nice quarterly one to have here, Starwood. All right, Robinhood, pick up, man. Picking up like it's lagging. I got full bars on my Wi-Fi now. Let's roll. Hey, this is a funny market we trading in, boy. It's a lot of stuff going on in the United States, boy. It's ugly times, but I'm about to get paid. Ain't no sense of crying about it. Check MFA, nice quarterly yield there. 1022, I'm at 1033. Can leave that alone. Might be one I cut to make the 52-week high, trying to clean up my portfolio. Got a lot of positions and stuff. If y'all in Adam, I set a sell limit at 14. Not Adams Trust. This one I'm going to keep. 10.01% yield. I don't think I put a sell order in on this one. 52-week high is 932. PE ratio is 7.59. They got this as a buy and a hold. Might make my exit and put it in HOOW. I don't really care about this. A REIT, real estate investment trust, 932. I'm about to dump this one. 51 shares, 932. I'm selling it. I can put that in another play. REITs right now, BDCs are risky. Take mine and run. 51, 9.32. Extended hours. Get that money and run. A 10% yield is good, but I can get a high yield somewhere else. I can put in SPIT. Following the S&P 500, APLY, something with Apple. MSFO, it's another one. DISO. Disney got earnings coming also. I like Disney at 10 and under. Give me a couple more shares on right here. Pay out every week. Disney is a volatile stock, even though it sounds good, but it's risky. Did NFLY. Check Shamira Investments is another REIT, 1366. Been trading well. I'm at 1421. 11.818% yield, 1.14 billion. 52-week high, 1488. I'm gonna take that 1488. Going to hit sale. Excuse me. I got too many REITs. I'm REIT heavy, REIT and BDC heavy. All right, put that sell limit order in. Put that in like NVDY. I can do Nvidia trading under $200. I should still be up in NVDY. 1365, 1325. Recurring $2 a day. That's why I like the option ETF, so I can make income without selling it. Now remember, you are gonna pay taxes on these option ETFs. You gonna have to report them as ordinary income or other income. But you're gonna pay whatever your tax bracket is what you're gonna pay on these. So let's go back to NVDY. Sorry for that. Won't take me long to find it. Redwood Trust. Alright, there we go right here. NFLY. NVDY right there. Did Wendy's. I'm buying STHD every week, two in another portfolio. Take CHPY. 69, I'm at 50. Got that on, I think, $1 a day or something. Damn, fiat down 5.93%. I mean, Coinbase on the run. Got to get some fiat. Coinbase up, fiat down. When fiat is up, Coinbase is down. 2075, 52 has 2046. $2 worth. This pay out every week. Got Arca. One of them I got this on $2 a day recurring. Well, $1 a day. Just do the eVTOLs, doing with the Uber taxis, the air taxis. Trying to get this business started. You know, the future gonna be crazy. Gonna be like the Jetsons. So investing in that now while it's early. Gonna look at this last one. We can get out of here, man. Soxy. 82.67. I'm up. This is semiconductor ETF. So, all right, man. Signing off. Go get your money.